Friday, mayang hapon guys. We're here at my parents' house visiting. We're gonna sleep over here tonight and tomorrow go home. So I make a chicken leg soups that put potato and cabbage. So this is the kitchen guys, in my parents' kitchen. We have also a dirty kitchen there. So, dirty kitchen. So mother lay down watching Netflix. Mother, you watching movie? Kinsa may kuan na, dum nanay. Nanay, patungan ka di makakalakaw. Pagmangkon. Ngataga. Ngipod. Ibato na 500 to. Ito na lang. Ha? Patod na ito. Ha? Kung 500 atag ito. Then my partner, my loved ones, we're here in my old room in Piligon, guys, where I staying for 6 months. We're being separated for 6 months. So, ganda ng buhay. Katulog-tulog lang. The aircon. Social. Bye-bye guys. Ito ka kong buhay. Sleep well honey.